ComfyUI is a popular app to run Stable Diffusion, a generative AI model that uses AI to create images from text prompts. RTX GPUs not only speed up image generation, but also offer access to the newest and broadest range of AI features. For example, I can use a ControlNet tool to take any picture of myself and turn it into a professional headshot. Or create something fun like a digital sticker pack. This process is significantly faster with an NVIDIA RTX or GeForce RTX graphics card, thanks to AI-specialized tensor cores and the newly added TensorRT acceleration for ComfyUI. Let's dive into one of these workflows. Today, I'm going to become a superhero. I start by describing the superhero. ComfyUI now generates an image, but I want some more customization. I'd like to be in a specific superhero pose. I can copy the composition of a superhero stock image I like with a ControlNet called Depth. Now for the most important part. I need to make sure that I am the superhero. One of the most popular solutions to do this is Instant ID, a feature that enables you to create new images of a person from just one photo, while keeping their unique features intact. I've transformed myself into a superhero using ComfyUI and Stable Diffusion, and I did it quickly with the power of RTX. With NVIDIA, you can explore ideas faster with generative AI-based workflows.